I'm Dora, and today I'm going to be showing you how to look for nature just outside your door. And to help me, I've brought along my friend Martina.
Thank you, Dáithí. Yes, my name is Martina Butler, and I work as a Heritage in Schools expert. And today, myself and Dáithí are going to help you to have a look at some really interesting creepy crawlies called woodlice.
This is what a woodlouse looks like. Can you see? He's got lots of little legs, and he's got a body that's kind of grey-black on the outside. But where would we find a real one?
Well, Dáithí, we could find a real woodlouse if we look somewhere that is dark and damp, like underneath a plant pot,
Oh,
or underneath a bit of a stone or a rock, or underneath some old rotted wood or leaves.
oh,
Now, Dáithí, look at that. Here's a real little woodlouse,
oh, look at him on the piece of wood.
and he's actually going to eat that piece of wood and turn it into soil.
Oh, that means that the plants could grow in the soil then. He's a really good creature. But let's put him somewhere dark and damp now so he can continue to do his really good work.
Oh, Dáithí, that's a really good idea. And you know, you are so kind to nature.
Oh,